beautiful people. We got a TLF package. We are going to do an unboxing. So we're going to see what's in this bad boy right now. Start off with the track pants. Right now, we are opening up. These are the Element 7/8 Jogger. I don't know how you pronounce that. They feel a lot different. They're so soft. Why is it so soft? I'm ready to try these on right now. These are a size large. The thing with these is they're so tight around my calves. You gotta be wary of that. Also, I have to zip it up at my ankles and zip it down. That's such a unique fit. It's so loose right there, but it's tight around the calves. I'd rather have it loose around the waist than extremely tight around the calves because I can tighten it with this. Here, they're so tight around the legs and my calves because I have such big calves. They're stretchy, but they're so loose around the pants. I mean, look at that. There's so much room. They're alright. I'd rather get a large, they're loose around the waist and tight around the calves, and get a medium and then have them fit around the waist and super tight around my calves. Next up, 2 combos. This right now is the contrast. This is the heavy Waffle Jogger. This is part of their Waffle collection, which is interesting to me. Oh, these are the pants? Oh, these are soft. I'm going to bang these if I put these on. I gotta unzip this, unzip that, take these off. They're already tight. I want to know, I bet there's a time and place for them. I'll figure out one. I love these because they got the cuff at the bottom. These are actually medium. I got those in large just to relax at the house. I always love these zipper pockets. We're just chilling now. Let me put on the hoodie because this is part of a matching set. Oh, it is soft inside. Well, actually, it's not really soft inside. It was just the hoodie that had a different texture. Look at that. Alright, let's see how it is. It's so baggy. I'm just going to be relaxed. This is a size large. The top I go large, the bottom I go medium. And yes, I'm going to bed now. I like it. It's definitely just to relax in the house. This is Harbor Mist. I like this a lot, actually. It just feels comfortable. It feels like you should be asleep. I like this. Now we have 3. We have a contrast stitch hoodie, sweatpants, and another hoodie. This is from the contrast stitch collection. Oh yes, this is what I was just wearing, but in black. I have the deep navy blue. Oh, there's a logo on the back this time. Yeah, this is the contrast hoodie right there. This one has a logo on the back. The one I was just wearing did not. There's the contrast hoodie, which I love because you can combo up if you want to. The material inside is a little more tough. It's different than the navy blue one, I'll definitely say that. They're both from the Stitch collection, but they feel different. It could be that it's new and out of the package, but alright. It feels different than the other one, but it's not worse. It's just a different texture. This one feels a little darker. And then you have the logo on the back, which the other one does not. Even this combo is nice. It's springtime, but sometimes you just gotta chill. Next up, we have the matching pants. They feel a lot different than the ones I had. These are medium, and these feel different. You have an elastic band, and you have a different cuff at the bottom. I'll showcase both the navy blue one and this black one to see the key differences. Feel the differences, but they're both from the same collection. This one doesn't have any strings to tighten it, so however it sits at your waist is going to sit at your waist. But this one is a medium, so this one actually fits perfectly. We have strings right there, but that's how it fits around. I do like that. These are both comfortable. I like these actually a lot. That is a combo. We are ripping it out. Last but not least, we have a GTS Waffle Tech hoodie. This is exactly the outfit I wore, but only the top. I didn't get the bottoms, because I decided to go with the gray pants and not the bottom, just because you got some variety. The inside is a different texture, but all throughout the actual hoodie, it's the same as the outside, the Waffle Tech. It definitely feels unique. It's very heavy. It's more breathable. You can feel the air, but it definitely has a weight to it. I guess they're the same weight, and that one is not as breathable. I like this one. That concludes all the TLF apparel from the Waffle collection and the Stitch collection. I'll be showcasing up close a little bit more about the small features. If you liked today's video, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It really does help. If you want to get your own TLF apparel, use my code TLFGiovanni for 15% off your next order to save a little bit of money. Make sure that you are looking at these videos. I've been making a few TLF videos in the past to show you what you might be buying. I only give my honest thoughts on these videos. Right now, I'd say I really like these pants. I'm 6 foot 190 and there's no string, which I like. They sit at the waist right there. They have the cuff at the bottom, which I like. The Waffle Tech is nice, it's breathable. I feel like a nice springtime day, I probably would wear this. Alright, but without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to have fun. I love you.